In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Laguerre RSI in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator onto your chart so you can start using it in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the middle at the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where all of the built-in tools and community scripts live. Inside that Indicators window, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you need. Instead of scrolling through long lists, click directly on that search box so you can type into it. Now, start typing the name of the indicator you want, Laguerre RSI. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results in real time. You should see Laguerre RSI appear in the list below the search bar, either under built-ins or under community scripts, depending on the version you're looking for. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the one you actually want to use. If you see multiple versions, you can hover over them to check the description, the author, and any ratings or comments, which can help you choose a solid script. Once you've found the Laguerre RSI you want, simply click on it once. TradingView will instantly add it to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually at the bottom of your screen, showing the Laguerre RSI line and any related levels. From here, you can customize it by clicking the settings icon next to the indicator's name. This lets you adjust inputs, colors, and visual style so it matches your trading layout and is easy on your eyes. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators per chart, extra layouts, and overall smoother performance, then check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks the full power of tools like Laguerre RSI inside TradingView Pro. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box to find Laguerre RSI, add it to your chart and tweak the settings to fit your strategy.